Y epalagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Red Dead Redemption honetara. Eta gaur joango gara Sadie Adlerren gana, bere misioa egiteko. Eta barrea zer moduz moldatzen garen eta guzti hori. Eta guazen aurrera. Zenbait misio sekundario egin ditut bideo grabatu baina lehenago. Espero dut bidean nahi ez dugun ez ustegorik ez izatea. Tipita pasaiaz gozatuz aurrera goaz. Saiatuko gara, ja momentu honetan alik eta pertsona izintzen izaten. Ez. Moren zentratuko gara misio principal horretan eta punto horretan. Gero behin jokoa gainditzen dugunean, egingo ditugu misio sekundarioak eta edaki zer. Baina bitartean ez. Zuhaitz bat jauzi da. Hor ez dut Lamborghini zer badagoela. Baina John Marstonekin beranduago bilduko gara. Bengoagatik galtzen ditugun. Vale, libratu gara. Dago gartzela. Eta arazotan ez jartzarren ari dut egin eta gure misiora heldu alik eta hobekien behin aktibatzen denean ja erosago goteko. Mendebaldetik sartuko gara. Agian inbarko nuke telesel antzeko bat eta izena deitu Arthur Caimane Istaria horrelako zeo zer. bueno, ikusi behar da. Behiak. Pertsona gurdi bat. Gero eta okerrago gaude, baina suposatzen izango dela jokoaren zera hori gaitz bat edo zen edu jokoan implementatuta dagoena.
Can anybody show me some kindness? Please, you, yes, please, coin, please. Please, coin, won't you lend a coin to the fellow in need?
My husband's school hired a new teacher.
Go get yourself something to eat.
Come on, get clear.
Sir, I want you to have this.
Thanks, friend.
It's nice to give something instead of just begging.
Come on, girl.
I hate asking for money like a goddamn worm. Groveling here in the dirt.
What in God's name is
Bueno, horrengoz ez dugu arazorik izan, bueno, alde egitea lortu egin dugu.
Clear out that way!
Buenos días.
There, girl.
Don't you worry about me.
There you are. Here I am. Come on, let's go. Let's go where? Why are you so riled up?
Today is a great day, Arthur. Today is the day they are going to hang Colm O'Driscoll.
That's so.
Rather they hang him or I shoot him.
Oh, they are gonna hang him.
Yeah, and not before time.
That boy's been on the gallows more than most. I wouldn't count anything until his neck's broke.
Well, nor would I. Which is why, despite us being wanted men, we're gonna attend the event ourselves.
And follow him onto the scaffold?
Well, let's hope not. But if I could see that son of a bitch breathe his last, I think I'd die a happy man. We are gonna disguise ourselves
In this?
in this.
Arthur gisa joa.
Okay.
Come on.
Bueno, Superman moduan.
Well, don't we just look the part?
We'll cut through the alley to get to the gallows. We keep our weapons holstered, our disguises on, and our wits about us.
No es que ez
This
dugu
is
arazorik
Andrew.
nahi.
Might I say, being a fancy woman of Saint Denis suits you.
I'd dress up like the Queen of Sheba if it meant seeing that son of a bitch swing.
Colm hung me up, nearly butchered me. That don't mean I'm comfortable in this woolen coat.
You made it out of that predicament, as I remember, Mr. Morgan. My husband weren't so lucky.
You lost your husband. I lost my darling Annabelle. That poor boy Kieran. We've all lost something because of Colm. And that is why we will shepherd him to eternity.
Amen to that.
Now keep those fingers off those triggers, because we'll need cool heads and calm dispositions to see this done.
Practice what you preach, brother.
Whatever do you mean?
Are you gonna keep your cool? Really? When you seem to lose it all so often now.
This doubting and questioning of yours? I miss the old Arthur.
Don't we all?
You two quit it. Y'all got a job to do, and we're all in rough agreement about how we're doing it. As far as I can tell.
Exactly.
We'll get it done, all right.
All right then. Come on. We got a hanging to witness.
Look here. Don't the public love an execution? Hey, we're gonna wait. All right, good. Now, you see that pair of assholes?
Sure.
They're Combs boys.
Yes, I think so.
What a surprise. I'm glad we're here. What are they pointing at?
I don't know. We gotta follow them and find out.
Yeah. Oh, here comes somebody. Stay here.
Don't do nothing.
Go brush that horse, officer.
Yes, sir.
The crowd came to see a show. We don't want to disappoint them.
I guess they did miss their chance to see John swing by his neck.
Hey, you know I wasn't going to let it come to that.
I guess I don't know what I know no more.
And I guess this isn't the time to question either my decisions or yours. Here and now, Colm O'Driscoll's going to get his due. He's cutting in there. Let's go. Quiet.
Bunch of cops. How many? Enough. So what do you think?
Holes up on the roof. Once he starts shooting, we have to have our wits about us and move fast.
Yeah. I guess we faced worse than this before.
Sure. Let's get to it.
Yeah.
So, they got a guy up on the roof overlooking the gallows. Find a way up there, onto one of these verandas, through a building maybe, and get him. And do it silently.
Well, obviously I'm gonna do it silently. I want to see this bastard swing.
A ver.
Oh, Arthur, here's a ladder. Find a way up to the roof and stop it. I'll go back to Mrs. Adler.
Gallows,
O'Driscoll is one such man. He has murdered, tortured, robbed, stolen, raped, and abused for a decade across 5 states, seemingly with impunity. Today, justice catches up with him.
As well you may. I've been a bad man.
Silence!
These charges
This is not a court where you shall be tried. This is a place where your sentence is to be carried out. And your sentence, Colm O'Driscoll, is that you are to be hanged by the neck until you are dead. This is not a task we take lightly. It is not a task we enjoy. But it is a task we must carry out if our civilization is to prosper. Gentlemen, are we ready? Colm O'Driscoll, may God, in his infinite wisdom, have mercy upon your soul. Whenever you are ready.
Now you know how it feels to watch somebody you love die. You ruined my life!
Arthur! If you can hear me, shoot some of these O'Driscolls!
I can't get a shot on him!
Judge will die saying day is Colm O'Driscoll.
Find some cover! You're going away, Keep moving! I'll hold him down! Why didn't they try it earlier? Well, we got him.
Let's just get out of here.
Go.
Oso ondo. Agur O'Driscoll.
How you get on, Arthur?
Well, we saw the bastard hang okay, but no thing ain't gonna save us.
I guess that's one less thing to worry about.
I guess compared to the entire government, in the end, Colm Colm O'Driscoll didn't seem like such a worry.
A letter came for you.
Oh, okay.
I know it's from that Mary.
Mary?
She ain't worth it, Arthur.
Who is?
My dear Arthur, I don't know if you received the letter I wrote to you from Saint Denis a while back. It was foolish of me to ask for your help again, and I promise there will be no recurrence. I don't imagine you'll receive this letter either, but I nonetheless must send it. Arthur. Oh, Arthur. I was just starting to dream the silliest and softest of dreams when I read about your recent activities in the newspaper. I miss you, and I will always miss you, but I cannot live like that. And it seems you cannot live any other way. When I'm with you, the world makes sense, but when we're apart, I see clearly that your world is not a world from which one can escape. I am so sorry for everything long ago, and for starting up that business again. There's a good man within you, Arthur, but he is wrestling with a giant, and the giant wins time and again. I enclose a ring you gave me many years ago, when we were both young, not because I don't like it, but because I care for it far too much, and it reminds me too much of you. I hope one day you'll find some people in love who can use this, for it kept me thinking of you all these years, and I hope by returning it to you, I can finally be free. Goodbye, Mary.
Arthur gaixoa. Lo apur bat, bete mesedegarra izango da. A ver. Goazen gora. Orain mapa. Goazen.
Have any warmer clothes? You're gonna catch a chill.
Just be careful with him.
scare me.
Yeah, but he'll stab you in the back.
Hemen otxo egon daitezke beraz kontuz.
Yeah.
Gainari hortik jaguare bat dago. Eta horiek otxak baina roxe arreskutxoagoak dira.
Take it easy. Yeah. Greetings, mister. Yeah.
Agian pertsonaten atzetik bagoaz lasai egongo da gure esaldia, baliteke. egun sentia etorri da.
Hey, mister.
Howdy, stranger.
Get back. Ah! Oh, easy there. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
Voisin olla firmoraan. Vasen. Oion maasta lurrunagoan sen siinä nagoen, ez?
Yeah. Easy. Whoa. Yeah. Hey, mister.
Lekutan zaude John Marston madarikatua. Lordo subía.
Arthur,
How you doing?
nervous? But I've been nervous for a while. I had a lot of time to think in that jail, and I feel like I just don't know Dutch no more.
You ain't the only one.
And this plan to get us out, it just feels... I don't know.
Like he's stringing us along, I know.
Killing in cold blood, revenge, we all do bad things, but he seems to enjoy it now. It's like he just wants to create more enemies, more chaos.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, I love Dutch. He saved me a long time ago. I feel like in Saint Denis, when I got arrested, maybe he could have done something.
I feel like you should take your woman and child and get lost.
Do you?
You could give something to Jack. It's that or... Well, I don't see no way out of this.
But what about loyalty?
Be loyal to what matters.
What are you gonna do?
I'll be okay, but do it for me. It would make me feel good, if that makes any sense.
A little, but...
Listen to me. When the time comes, you gotta run and don't look back. This is over.
And now?
Now we gotta help Dutch give the army one final tweak on its nose.
Yeah, come on. Help me with the rest of this.
Well, it looks like we finally found our calling in life.
Let's ride this thing out onto the bridge. There's a spot about a third of the way across where we can get down underneath and plant the charges. I've already set up the detonator.
Sure, let's get this over with. You hear about Dutch and Cornwall?
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. More enemies, more chaos. I mean, we're about to blow up a bridge, for Christ's sake. All right, stop. Here's good.
We sure got a lot of this stuff.
We'll need it. I'll climb down there, you lower the crates.
All right, let me know when you're ready. Got it?
Ready when you are. I'm at the bottom of the ladder, here to your left. Okay, you should be good there. Okay, start lowering it down. All right, take it slow. That's not something we want to drop. That's it. Okay, good. Grab the other one. Just like last time. Come on. Nice and easy.
Got it?
All right, come down here and help me plant this stuff. Okay, grab yourself a bundle from the box. The bridge is wired to the detonator. You need to attach each of those bundles to the fuses. There's one on each of the main support beams.
Okay.
I sure hope this is enough to blow it.
These are mining charges. They ain't easy to come by. If they don't do the job, nothing will.
Okay, I should go get the handcart ready. You okay to finish off down here?
Sure. Go on. I can handle the rest.
I'll see you up there. This better work. I think I hear something coming, Arthur. Train! Arthur, get up here quick!
I'm on my way.
Faster, buddy, come on! Shit. Arthur! A train! Come on, quick! Pump this stupid thing as hard as you can! Let's go, let's go! Just get to the end of the bridge and jump!
Gorroto ditu kontu hauek.
Pump this stupid thing as hard as you can! Let's go, let's go! Just get to the end of the bridge and jump!
Ui. Oso txarra nahi zonetan,
Pump this stupid thing as hard as you can! Let's go, let's go! Just get to the end of the bridge and jump! Get ready to jump! It's right on us, come on! Thank you. No problem. That just ain't how I want to die. Come on. Let's go blow this thing up. I think the line held. You want the honors?
Sure. guess old Dutch got all the smoke he wants.
Well, let's hope so.
You really think that that'll draw attention away from us?
I guess we'll see. Tell the truth, I ain't even sure I fully understand Dutch's plan with all this.
Like I said, John, when the time comes, you'll go.
What about loyalty to everything?
You've been loyal. I've been loyal. Look what that caused. You know, all that ever mattered to me was loyalty. That's all I knew. That's all I ever believed in. Well, not anymore, John. Soon, you gotta go. Go. Don't look back.
I'll think about it.
I've done a lot of thinking. Look at us. Out here risking our necks, and for what exactly? For an idea that don't work no more.
How you mean?
You know just what I mean. You got a family. You need cash. You need to start building a life for yourself. Me? I need a vacation. And Dutch has all the money for safekeeping.
You know something? Abigail thinks she might know where some of that money is.
Well, you tell her she better make sure. And then come talk to me. And we'll find out just who and what we should be loyal to.
I don't know, Arthur.
Nor do I. But I'm seeing things a lot more clearly now. I wish things were different. But it weren't us who changed.
Yeah.
Here. All right, girl. Girl?
Pero ignora. Bueno, vengo con ahora, ¿no?
Yep.
Western. Ikuutara berrirojan behar gara. Normal hemen hortxoak eta denetarik egotea grizzlietan gaude. Baina, bueno, ez dakit entzungo zen orain arte zeo zer, baina, bueno, horrelakoak ere gertatzen dira.
Out of the damn way. Hey there, mister. Get away! Ah! Anyone! Oh, Jesus! Ah! Someone help me! Help! Oh, God! Oh, God, get this thing off me!
Barkaida zu, baina ez. Mira, egin egin dezaket.
Hey there, partner.
Hi there.
Egin egin dezaket, guau. Hemen gaudela.
Hamish,
Arthur, well, come in.
you said we might go out fishing.
Don't take much persuading to get me to go fishing. Let's go in my boat.
Good.
Here she is. You mind rowing?
Sure. What we fishing for?
Only one thing worth catching in this lake. The Great Tyrant.
Oh.
Mean as hell northern pike. Eats everything else that spawns around here, its own kind included.
Well, is that our bait then? A jack or something?
Hell no. He's a clever old bastard. I made these. This one's mine. You can have the spare.
They are pretty.
You don't know the half of it. Come on, let's push off. I'll show you where we're rowing to.
What?
Take us over there to the right. We'll set up 10 yards or so offshore. He don't keep far away from me, the tyrant. Wants me to know whose lake it is.
We'll show him who's boss.
The optimism of youth. Right here. We'll cast off towards the island.
Okay.
You got that lure I gave you? Get her out. Spent years working on that. Finding the right combination of feathers, twine, and glimmer. Making them, losing them, getting them right. Tried coins, shell casings, even a medal. Finally found something he seems to like. Now I hear you can buy him in a shop.
Well, it wouldn't be quite so satisfying. Getting him with something the shop bought.
Easy for you to say. but maybe I'm inclined to agree.
Whoa, what's this?
You got something?
I got something all right.
Hey, hey, you
Come
need
on now, Tyron, I got you. I got you. Come on. Went on slack. Went on slack. Come back. Oh, it's a drop.
Hamish! Hamish! Stay there. I'm throwing out to you.
Real quick. Bastard just bumped me. Over here.
Hey, come on up here. You lost anything?
Just my rod. Would've gotten my toes, too. They weren't wooden.
You want another go at him? I still got my lure.
Nah. He's your fish now. Cast away.
We'll come at him from the other way. Row over there. When he bumped me, I had to check twice. Thought I'd find a chunk of me missing.
Man-eating pike? That would be a first.
I'm not so sure. Okay, right here. Our hopes of catching this bastard lie with you. Cast back to where we were, and make sure to use that lure I gave you. Let's see a nice, strong cast, okay? Now cast again. Just a little faster. Just a bit faster now.
Paciencia.
Now reel a mite quicker.
think I hooked him.
Real. Let's land the bastard. Reel it in. Strong, ain't he? He's gone! That tyrant's a clever one. Let's try again. This might be the one casting. That him? That Cook! Come on! Time to reel. Come on! Come on! Yes! Bring it in now. Stand steady. Don't let him pull you. Start reeling. There you go. You're doing good. Try pulling that rod up as you reel. We got you now, tyrant. We got you now. He's tiring, all right. Ah, you lost him. Let's try again.
ยังไงอะ
Let's try again. We're gonna get this son of a bitch.
Venga.
Cast it out there.
Bueno, hemen jarraitzen dugu Red Dead Redemptionekin, arrantzetan ez gara ondo eramaten, beraz joango gara Sally Adleren kontra zer nahi duen kasu honetan. Eta kapitainari bidaliko dugu pikutara, bestela hemen buruak eztanda ingo didalako. Desventajas nuke esango nagoela, baina bale. Hola, guazen hemendik. Hemendik gure kanpalekura goaz. Eta hortik Sally Adleren tokiraino joango gara Trostan. Trostan galopan gure Sallyarekin joango gara. Kanpora eta zer kanpora ondoko.
Who goes there? Arthur, dumbass. Look who's back.
Put on some warmer clothes, friend.
A ver, map. A ver, zer nahi duenen orain emakumeen.
You okay?
Peachy?
You sure?
No, I ain't sure.
You still working?
Is anybody still working? The whole goddamn place full of people bickering, fighting, and lying. It makes me real sad.
I know. I need someone to ride with me.
Do what?
Finish off them O'Driscolls. I hear the last of them is holed up at Hanging Dog Ranch.
I don't have it in me no more. I saw Colm swing. I just don't care.
I was a married woman. You know what they did to me. And to my husband? But you're the only one of these fools that I trust. I've got to do this.
Lagunduko dugu bai.
I'll do it, but there's something you could help me with. Abigail? Jack? John? Make sure they make it. I mean, this whole thing is pretty much done. But when the time comes...
How do you mean?
When the time comes, you help.
What do you mean?
I mean, help them escape. When I... You know, you and me, ghosts and people. But them, they could...
I know. Of course I will. Thank you, Arthur. You want to ride with me now, or meet me up at Hanging Dog Ranch when you can? Thanks, Arthur. Okay, come on.
Kargatzen dago.
Fine morning for a killing.
Hey.
You seen anything down there?
Yeah, I think there's a bunch of them down there. I'm mostly drunk. But one of them, that fat fella with a beard, him, he's mine.
Okay.
It's a big ranch, run down, lots of folk there, but spread pretty thin. I'll set it off and then we'll take it from there.
Take it from there.
İçeri.
Okay. So, no real plan then.
Oh, I got a plan. Come on.
Pones pistola.
This is it. End of the road. You died with O'Driscoll. Get out of here. It's over now. Just shoot her. I don't care what she is. Shoot her. You might not know it, but you're done.
Eskenean triplerik gabe nola joango naiz. A ber. Pistolekin bakarrik txartu.
Is that a woman? Jesus.
Joder. A ver si da kontrol gune hori.
Is that a woman? Jesus! Who the hell is that lady?
Carl, let's finish this.
Vale. Niri bakarrik okurritzen zaizkit hauek egitea.
Barn's clear.
Okay, He was a good man, my Jakey. We was always sweet on one another.
I'm sure.
Yeah. I miss him every day, every moment. They turned me into a monster, Arthur. But my memories of him, they still pure.
I ain't even got that.
Aside from my Jake, you're the best man I've known.
I know the company you keep. The competition ain't too fierce. We should get away from here.
I think I need to be alone for a bit.
I understand. You, I want to get yourself cleaned up.
Thank you, Arthur.
Ez dago esos lapurtzeak hemendik. Vale.
Yep. Here.
A ver. Baina oraingoz gordeko dugu